Welcome back, everyone, to another exciting episode. I'm Alex, and today we're talking about one of the most fascinating topics in business and personal success, the secret to earning your first $1 million. Many people dream about financial freedom, but very few truly understand the mindset, discipline, and long-term strategy required to reach that level. To help us explore this topic, we're joined by Jonathan, an entrepreneur and business mentor who has spent years studying wealth creation, investment habits, and the psychology of highly successful people.
Thank you, Alex. I'm very happy to be here. The first thing I want listeners to understand is that earning your first $1 million is usually less about luck and more about mindset and consistency. Most wealthy people did not become rich overnight. They spent years learning valuable skills, building relationships, taking calculated risks, and improving themselves daily. Money is often the result of creating value for other people. The more value you create, the more opportunities you usually receive. That is one of the biggest lessons successful entrepreneurs understand very early.
That is a powerful point. Many people focus only on money itself instead of focusing on becoming more valuable. Jonathan, when successful people begin their journey, what habits usually separate them from everyone else?
One major difference is how they use their time. Successful people understand that time is their most valuable asset. Instead of wasting hours every day on distractions, they focus on learning, networking, planning, and building systems that can grow over time. They also read constantly and study successful people carefully. Another important habit is delayed gratification. Many future millionaires are willing to sacrifice short-term comfort in exchange for long-term freedom and opportunity. They think differently about every decision they make because they always consider the future results.
I really like that idea of delayed gratification because it feels difficult in today's world. People often want immediate success, fast money, and quick results. But real wealth probably requires patience and discipline over many years.
Absolutely. One of the biggest mistakes people make is chasing quick money instead of building long-term value. Wealthy people usually focus on assets instead of temporary income. They create businesses, investments, skills, and networks that continue producing value for many years. Another important factor is financial education. Many people work hard for money, but they never learn how money actually works. Understanding investing, budgeting, saving, taxes, and business fundamentals can completely change your financial future. Financial intelligence is often more important than simply working harder.
That explains why some people earn high salary but still struggle financially. Without financial education, even a large income may disappear quickly. Jonathan, many listeners probably wonder whether becoming a millionaire is still realistic today, especially with rising living costs and economic pressure.
Yes, I absolutely believe it is still possible. In fact, technology and the internet have created more opportunities than ever before. Today, one person can build an online business, create digital products, invest globally, or develop valuable skills from home. However, competition is also much higher now. That means people must become more disciplined, more adaptable, and more focused than previous generations. The good news is that consistent effort still works. The principles of wealth creation have not changed. Value, discipline, patience, and smart decisions remain the foundation of long-term success.
That is very motivating because it means ordinary people still have real opportunities if they are willing to learn and stay consistent. I also think many listeners underestimate how important mindset can be in financial success.
Mindset changes everything. If you constantly believe success is impossible, you will avoid opportunities and remain afraid of failure. Wealthy people usually think differently about problems and risks. They see challenges as lessons instead of disasters. Before we continue, we'd love to hear from our listeners. What is your biggest financial goal right now? Write your answer in the comments below. And if you're enjoying this episode, please subscribe, like the video, and share it with someone who dreams about financial freedom and long-term success.
Jonathan, now I want to move into practical strategies because many listeners are probably asking themselves, where should I actually begin? If someone has a normal job and limited savings, what is the smartest first step toward building serious wealth?
The smartest first step is increasing your value in the marketplace. Your income usually grows when your skills become more valuable. Learn high-income skills such as sales, communication, marketing, coding, investing, or content creation. Many millionaires focused heavily on skill development before they focused on luxury. Skills can create opportunities that change your financial future forever. Another important point is to always invest in yourself first. Courses, books, mentors, and practical experience can produce returns much greater than most people imagine. Self-education is one of the highest return investments available today.
That makes a lot of sense because skills continue generating income for many years. I've also noticed that successful people are often extremely careful about where their money goes. They seem very disciplined with spending, especially early in their journey.
Absolutely. One common habit among future millionaires is controlling lifestyle inflation. When their income increases, they do not immediately spend everything on expensive cars, luxury clothes, or unnecessary status symbols. Instead, they invest more money into assets and opportunities. Many wealthy people live below their means for years while quietly building businesses and investments. This discipline creates financial stability and allows compound growth to work over time. People often underestimate how powerful consistent investing can become after several years of patience and smart decisions.
That idea of compound growth is fascinating because small, smart decisions today can become huge results later. Jonathan, what are some of the biggest mistakes that prevent people from reaching financial success?
One major mistake is trying to impress other people. Many people spend money to appear successful instead of becoming successful. Another mistake is fear of risk. Of course, reckless decisions are dangerous, but avoiding all risk usually prevents growth. Successful people learn how to take calculated risks after careful research and planning. Another common problem is lack of patience. People often quit too early because they expect immediate results. Building wealth usually takes years of consistent effort, learning, networking, and adaptation. Persistence is extremely important because many opportunities appear only after long periods of hard work.
That is such an important message, especially today when social media makes success look instant and effortless. In reality, most successful people probably experience years of failure and uncertainty before achieving major results.
Exactly. Many people only see the final success, not the difficult years behind it. Almost every millionaire has faced rejection, mistakes, financial stress, and moments of self-doubt. What separates successful people is their ability to continue learning and adapting instead of giving up. They treat failure as feedback. Another important factor is surrounding yourself with ambitious and positive people. Your environment strongly influences your mindset, confidence, and standards. If you spend time with people who constantly complain or avoid responsibility, it becomes much harder to grow financially and mentally over time.
I completely agree. The people around us can either push us forward or hold us back. Jonathan, before we finish this part of the conversation, what is one final piece of advice you would give to someone who truly wants to earn their first $1 million?
My biggest advice is to think long-term and never stop improving yourself. Focus on becoming more skilled, more disciplined, and more valuable every year. Wealth is rarely created by one lucky moment. It is usually the result of thousands of smart decisions repeated consistently over time. Stay patient, keep learning, build strong relationships, and remember that financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe, like this episode, and comment below. What is the first financial habit you want to improve starting today?
Jonathan, I think listeners would really enjoy hearing some practical examples now. We've talked about mindset, discipline, and financial habits, but many people are probably wondering what paths ordinary people can realistically take to reach their first $1 million.
One powerful example is starting a small online business. Many people begin by selling digital products, teaching skills online, or creating content on social media platforms. At first, the income may be small, but if they remain consistent and continue improving, their audience and income can grow dramatically over time. The internet allows one person to reach thousands or even millions of people globally. Another advantage is low startup cost. Many successful online businesses were started with very little money, but a great deal of effort, patience, and creativity.
That is interesting because many people already spend hours online every day. Instead of only consuming content, they could learn how to create something valuable and build an audience around it.
Exactly. Another common path is investing consistently for many years. Some people slowly build wealth by investing in stocks, businesses, or real estate. They may not become rich quickly, but compound growth can become extremely powerful over time. For example, a person who invests regularly every month and continues learning about investing can eventually build significant wealth. The important thing is consistency and patience. Many people quit too early because they expect immediate results, but long-term investing rewards people who think strategically and remain disciplined during difficult periods.
I also noticed that many successful people combine multiple income sources instead of depending on only one salary. That seems like a smart strategy in today's economy.
That's absolutely true. Many millionaires build several streams of income over time. They may have a main business, investments, online income, consulting work, or real estate. Multiple income sources create more financial security and more opportunities for growth. Another excellent strategy is solving expensive problems. Businesses become highly profitable when they help people save time, make money, improve health, or reduce stress. The bigger the problem you solve, the more valuable your business usually becomes. That is why successful entrepreneurs focus heavily on understanding people's needs and creating practical solutions.
That is a great insight because it changes the way people think about money. Instead of asking, how can I get rich quickly? They should ask, how can I become more useful and solve bigger problems?
Exactly, Alex. Wealth often follows usefulness. Another important idea is networking. Many opportunities come through relationships, not just talent. Successful people build strong connections, communicate well, and surround themselves with ambitious individuals. Sometimes one conversation, one mentor, or one partnership can completely change your financial future. That's why communication skills are incredibly valuable. People who can explain ideas clearly, inspire trust, and build relationships usually advance much faster in business and entrepreneurship. Relationships are often one of the hidden secrets behind major financial success stories. Before we finish, I want listeners to remember one important truth. Your first $1 million usually begins with your first disciplined habit. Most wealthy people did not start with huge advantages. They simply developed better habits, learned continuously, stayed patient, and kept moving forward after failures. Financial success is often much more psychological than people realize. Your daily decisions, mindset, environment, and long-term consistency shape your future more than luck. If you improve yourself every year and remain focused, your financial situation can look completely different in the future.
Jonathan, this has been an incredibly valuable conversation. Today we learned that earning your first $1 million is not about chasing fast money or waiting for luck. It is about becoming more valuable, building strong habits, managing money wisely, investing consistently, solving real problems, and thinking long-term. To all our listeners, remember that financial freedom begins with the decisions you make today. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with someone who wants to build a better financial future. We'll see you in the next episode.